Are you looking for a natural way to enhance your hair care routine? Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the benefits of rosemary water for hair and showing you exactly how to make it. Rosemary water is a fantastic, easy-to-make solution that can promote hair growth, reduce dandruff, and give your hair a healthy shine. In this video, we'll guide you through the simple steps to make rosemary water right at home. But first, let's talk about why you should consider adding rosemary water to your hair care routine. Rosemary is rich in ursolic acid, which stimulates blood circulation in the scalp, promoting hair growth. Its antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties help reduce dandruff and scalp irritation. Plus, the antioxidants in rosemary strengthen your hair, making it less prone to breakage. Ready to get started? Here's how to make rosemary water for your hair. First, bring 2 cups of water to a boil. Add a handful of fresh or dried rosemary leaves and let it simmer for 15-20 minutes. Once the mixture has simmered and cooled, strain the rosemary leaves from the water. Pour the rosemary water into a clean container or spray bottle. To use rosemary water, simply apply it as a rinse after shampooing and conditioning, or use it as a leave-in spray to refresh your hair and scalp. For more detailed instructions and additional tips, be sure to check out our full blog article linked in the description below. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.